good, y'all? Welcome back to another video, aka a new vlog. Literally do not mind my hair because I just brushed it, and if you're a curly hair girl, you know the struggle. Anyways, we are in our winter arc era. What is winter arc, you might ask? While everybody else is getting lazy and sleeping in now at 6 o'clock because the Miss Thing wanted to just disappear out of our lives, and everybody is cozying on up after work. We are in the gyms. We are connecting with ourselves. We are rejuvenating. And actually, you guys, I found these two lip products. I haven't tried this one yet, but I did try this one. I want to tell you that this lip oil is everything to me right now, so we're going to pop some of that on. But we are going to go to Sephora to pick up my Patrick Ta Duo glitter things that has like the whole internet in like shambles right now. We are going to be going out, and you guys are going to be coming with me, of course. This winter arc, we're going to stay productive. I'm not going to show you guys what I do off camera, and what I do off camera is basically running in bed. Other time that I'm productive, I am going to film. Balances out, right? Anyways, this is the book that I've been reading. I got this book too, which I'm going to leave behind because I don't need two books in this bag. If I put you on, just pre-warning, it's definitely like a very horny series.
What?
I didn't know that going into the first book that I read, which is this book right here, this first one. But it's actually taken over my life because it's pretty good. Almost done with it. Look at my cute freaking bookmark. We're here for the plot. Look at this cool thing. It's like a little lens. Is it wider? Ah! Ya pueden ver mi cochinero atrás en mi cuarto. Ignore that. Yo, that's sick. Let's do it again. Off. On. I'm gonna let y'all know that this winter arc is not wintering because the weather outside is hella gloomy, and I just want to get back into my bed and bed rot. But this is our outfit today. Some black leggings, some Doc Martens, my Kuromi sweater that I've had for like 10 decades, and my Barnes & Noble's bag. And if you've seen me with my new jeans, a little trinket with a hair tie, because I definitely do not have a carabiner yet for this bag. No, you didn't. It's not a hair tie. It's a solution to my problem that I was having. We got it, guys. We got Miss Thing. Look at that cute little sleek Patrick Ta packaging. I did get the We Need Better Lighting. I am actually pretty excited to use these as my toppers. That's all I got today, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Look, y'all. Good as hell. Nos vamos a cagar hoy.
아직도 난 격이 흐릿하게 더 의미하겠나 yeah. 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 yeah. 너의 흔적 없지만 있는 것 같아 일상 속에 또 번져 그 색깔이 바래졌어 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남았어 I just wanna be remembered 너의 잔상 속에 살면서 oh yeah I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남았어 I just wanna be with you babe I just 남겨진 향기 가끔 내 방안을 채워도 여기저기에 숨어 있어 내 맘 곳곳에서 yeah. 너의 의자에 남아있는 온기를 느껴 때때로 먼지 덮인 그 잔들이
You guys like my gorrita? I was at the panaderia and I did pick up some mini conchas. Look. Ah! They're so cute and tiny. It's my first concha in a long ass time and it's fall and it makes sense.
Just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남았어 I just wanna be remembered 너의 잔상 속에 살면서 oh yeah I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남았어 I just wanna be with you babe I just
On all these little gummies that I put a clip in earlier, well, it caught my attention because not only are they pink, I was like, why does this resemble like some sort of Asian snack? And if you know me, I'm all about my Asian snacks. It's made in China and it's literally a peach gummy that is like the most juiciest gummy ever. You can peel the gummy. You can literally peel it. It looks like this. It's a peach and it's so cute. But you grab the front and you can literally peel it. Like, what? And it doesn't squirt or anything. Pause. But it's so good. I also got this lip tint, lip balm thing. It looks like this. If you know me, you know that I am obsessed with anything that's for my lip that is nourishing, curing, tinted lip balm, any of that matter. It does have like a pinkish, reddish hue. It's cute. I got gifted this little sticker thing. It's literally so stinking cute. No, I didn't want a yellow one. I hope this is not the yellow one. Yeah, mine came broken. That's so sad. I got this one. Redemption. I can do blue.